दोनों शनीला कंफर्म कर रही हूँ ना.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello Shanila, how are you? ठीक है? Good, alhamdulillah. So I'm Asma and I am an organizer of this wonderful women wellness retreat today. So we are gathering here for self-development, some connections and some just me time, let's call it me time. My day job is I'm an esthetician. Oh my God. I offer all the advanced beauty treatments, injectables, laser hair removal. I've been doing it for like a very long time. And today I'm here to showcase my cleansing balm, which is by Hair Aura London. So this cleansing balm is really good for cleanse all the makeup, which I will explain later. And we are introducing. I'm so excited today to have everybody here joining us and making this event amazing. And yeah, we just can't wait to start it.
Assalamu alaikum Tanzila, what are you doing? Walaikum assalam. I'm here to speak about metabolic health for women, hormonal health, and how these products have completely changed my life and how it can help you to regain your health. MashaAllah. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, sister?
I'm okay. What you have today for us?
Today I have bash root. I didn't even bring any of my, this is the company called Bash. We all have, today we're going to have a little presentation what's all about perfume and why you need to wear perfume and how you what's the fact, what's your skin and why we want to make it more longevity.
Okay.
You know, how many people we have a problem of wearing perfume, but you're not smelling the way you're supposed to do. So we're teaching you technical way.
Hi,
What are you doing today?
Hi, my name is Javeria, and today here I'm promoting collagen, which is, I believe, all women should take over the age of 30, any age, because this is the most abundant protein in your body. And as we age, it declines naturally. So we are promoting here our marine collagen.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What are you doing here today?
Oh, today I'm coming actually to be part of, eventual event. I'm one of the sponsor and partners, with Sama. And I am presenting, the Moroccan organic product. So we actually use everything from raw. Everything is natural. So we use kind of argan oil. We use, the prickly pear, which is for anti-aging, and we use a nila, which is for pigmentation and, an even skin. This is my rebranding. This is, you got the nila, you got the argan oil, and you got the prickly pear, because that's what people are asking for. And I'm rebranding. All this is coming soon. This is the rose as well, and this is the old packaging, which is prickly pear. The rose water is there, and also we've got nila powder that some people, they love to use it just with like natural yogurt and use.
Just don't be afraid. And if you're thinking somebody's going to stop you, I don't think it's the case. Some people say to me, the second event, the business network, why do you invite men as well? The reason is when you are sharing with your husband, with your loved ones, they see it that, okay, you are doing something different. You're not just going for a hobby. And it's changed so much. Now those same men that you think they wasn't supporting, they are supporting now. I've seen that change. So yeah, that's where I started. Just wanted to have a connection, just wanted to have a support system, and my business just flourished slowly. And this is what I want for everyone else.
It's lovely to listen from you, Asma. Now it's our time to move our first session and start this with a person who really knows what's the real meaning of transformation. She will talk about emotional well-being, mindset shift, and weight loss beyond the scale. I'm talking about Beenish. Please welcome Beenish here, and then she'll discuss about it.
My name is Beenish, and I'm here for all of you. Okay, and I'll be talking about something very personal, deeply personal, but universally essential. So before I start, I really want to know, I want you all to take a moment and tell me what is the actual meaning of well-being, self-care, motivation you have to being healthy. I really, if anyone who can share what is actually motivation they have to being healthy. And let me just take to my journey. Many of you know my journey. Whoever follows me on Instagram, they know me. Some people, I'm very new to them. So I'm a holistic therapist, runs my own clinic. And from last year, I have done nothing but helping people transforming their life along with my own healing journey.
Thank you so much. आज मैं अपनी बेहतरीन आवाज़ में नहीं हूँ. So my podcast is in Urdu. So ख़वातीन का सबसे बड़ा जो एक मशगला होता है बच्चों को स्कूल छोड़ के, वो ये होता है कि चलो बता दें आज क्या हुआ, घर में क्या हुआ, क्या पकाया, क्या प्रॉब्लम, ये सब कुछ. It's not only about चुगलियाँ, it's about awareness, it's about journey, it's about all the struggles जो कि हमारी बहुत सारी औरतें यहाँ पे करती हैं. सबसे पहले मैंने स्टार्ट क्यों किया? जब मेरी शादी हुई तो मेरे हस्बैंड ने सबसे पहले, जब मैंने उनसे पूछा कि आपको मुझ में सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है, तो उन्होंने कहा तुम्हारी आवाज़, जो कि आज इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. तो उन्होंने कहा तुम्हारी आवाज़. तो मैंने कहा ये कैसी बात हुई? आवाज़ की क्या तारीफ? कुछ कहते हैं मैं खूबसूरत हूँ, कुछ कहते पतली हूँ, कुछ कहते आंखें प्यारी हैं, कुछ तो कहो. कहते नहीं, तुम में सबसे अच्छी चीज़ है तुम्हारी आवाज़, और जब तुम बात करती हो तो लगता है कि बस मैं कन्विंस हो गया हूँ. तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे इस बात को समझने में 23 इयर्स लगे कि मैं अपनी आवाज़ के साथ कुछ कर सकती हूँ, इसको और लोगों तक पहुँचा सकती हूँ, और लोगों की आवाज़ अपने चैनल पे लाके उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स, उनकी बातें, उनकी अचीवमेंट दूसरी औरतों से शेयर कर सकते हैं. इट्स ऑल अबाउट वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट. तो जब मैंने इधर उधर वर्ड स्प्रेड किया कि जो लोग आना चाहते हैं पॉडकास्ट में, तो बहुत सी औरतें थीं जो अपनी जर्नी शेयर करना चाहती थी. बहुत सी औरतें डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के बारे में बात करना चाहती थी. बहुत से लोग थे जो मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बात करना चाहते थे. पोस्ट नेटल डिप्रेशन का नहीं पता था लोगों को कि पोस्ट नेटल डिप्रेशन क्या होता है. मैंने भी, मुझे लगता है शायद फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने से ही सुना था कि पोस्ट नेटल डिप्रेशन नाम की भी कोई चीज़ है और इसका इलाज है. बच्चों के बाद, जो कि हम रियलाइज ही नहीं करते. हमें लगता है कि हम टायर्ड हैं, हम शायद अपनी बॉडी से खुश नहीं हैं, शायद हम पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ गई हैं, और इन सब शायद कहते कहते हम डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं. और अगर ये टाइम पे ट्रीट ना हो तो ये इतना गहरा हो जाता है कि वहाँ से वापस निकलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस क्या है? हम लोग ऑल द टाइम बात करते हैं डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस, लेकिन एक्चुअली ये है क्या? ये सिर्फ एक हस्बैंड का अपनी बीवी को मारना नहीं है, ये मेंटली टॉर्चर भी है. ये उसको ऑल द टाइम ये कहना कि तुम तो कुछ अच्छा पहनती नहीं, खाना बना के सामने रखना तो तुम्हें तो खाना ही नहीं बनाना था, वो देखो फलाने की बीवी कितना अच्छा बनाती, मेरी माँ से कुछ सीखो, मेरी बहन से कुछ सीखो. इस तरह की बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. अगर हमारे हस्बैंड हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा अप्रिशिएट करते हैं कि यार आज खाना बहुत अच्छा बना है, आज तुम अच्छी लग रही हो, आज तुमने घर में इतना काम किया, आज सो प्राउड ऑफ यू, तो आप लिटरली सोचें कि वो पूरे दिन की थकन हमारी ख़त्म हो जाती है. तो यही सारी बातें जो मैं चाहती थी कि लोग आएं और बात करें. और बहुत से लोगों का अवेयरनेस नहीं है. जैसे डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस अगर किसी के साथ हो रहा है तो हेल्प कैसे लेनी है, उससे बाहर कैसे आना है, उसके बाद की थेरेपीज क्या होती हैं. तो ये इस पे हम लोगों ने बात की. इसके अलावा था होम स्कूलिंग. व्हाट इज होम स्कूलिंग? आई नेवर हर्ड बिफोर इट. क्योंकि इस मुल्क में हम लोग आते हैं बेहतरीन एजुकेशन के लिए. हमें लगता है कि यूके एंड यूरोप एंड अमेरिका इज बेस्ट फॉर द एजुकेशन. बट व्हाट डू यू फील when parents are doing homeschooling for the children? Why they are doing that? So there was a podcast about homeschooling कि बहुत से लोग homeschooling क्यों करते हैं, what is their preference about it. So it was all knowledge. So मैं ये knowledge अगले बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुंचाना चाहती थी और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करते करते मेरे साथ इतनी खवातीन जुड़ी हैं कि पहले मुझे लोग ढूंढने पड़ते थे कि कोई आए मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे और बात करे, आज के वीक कौन आएगा, और अब माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह लोग मुझसे खुद कांटेक्ट करते हैं कि वी वांट टू कम टू योर पॉडकास्ट एंड वी वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस सो मेनी थिंग्स. एंड उसके बाद सबा आई, आज सबा यहाँ पे नहीं है लेकिन सबा आई मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे एंड शी टॉक अबाउट बिजनेस शोकेसिंग. एंड देन वी हैड अस्मा on my podcast and she talked about all the business networking, how you can do business networking, how it can be beneficial for you and how people can take advantage of it. एक दूसरे से हमने चलना नहीं है, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना है. तो women support other women, that's another topic we cover. और इसके साथ हमने बहुत कुछ मजेदार सी बातें भी की हैं जिसमें हमने कभी कभी थोड़ी थोड़ी चुगलियां भी की हैं. इसमें कभी हमने ये भी कवर किए कि हस्बैंड्स चीट क्यों करते हैं, वाइफ्स चीट क्यों करती हैं, क्या जरूरत पड़ जाती है वाइफ्स को चीट करने की. तो इस तरह के बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स थे. कुछ ऐसा भी था कि आपने when you start looking for schools, what kind of schools you can choose for your children. State school, grammar school, independent school. It was all about that. So it's all knowledge which I'm spreading. And then I have Samina on my podcast and we talk about menopause. Menopause is like, हम और बात नहीं करना चाहती हूँ उसके बारे में. हमें लगता है कि अगर हमने किसी को बताया कि I'm going through menopause, that means I'm old now. That means I'm going to my expiry date. So it's not like that. I think in a woman's life, menopause is the hardest time because like you're not giving birth, you are struggling with yourself. आपको इतना डिप्रेशन होता है menopause के टाइम पे, आपको लगता है कि कोई आपको पसंद नहीं करता, आपको लगता है कि मैं वेट पुट ऑन कर रही हूँ. एंड आई थिंक मेरा पॉडकास्ट शुरू करने का एक और रीजन ये भी था कि मुझे लग रहा था कि आई एम गुड फॉर नथिंग. Might be I'm not doing anything with my life because in the starting of my career I done so many things. I was a banker for 6 years and I'm running my own company called Ideal Letting Homes. We are managing properties. लेकिन ये सब कुछ करने के साथ साथ मुझे लगा कि नहीं, I need to do something for myself. Then I started interior designing करते 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 मुझे लगा कि शायद मैं किसी और चीज़ के लिए भी बनी हूँ. शायद मुझे बातें करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो आई शुड टॉक मोर. एंड फिर जब से मैंने पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट किया तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं, दिस इज द थिंग एंड इट्स बीन ओवर ईयर नाउ. और मेरे साथ साथ इतने लोग जुड़े हैं इस पॉडकास्ट में. और आई थिंक ये वो पीरियड था जब मैंने अपने मेनोपॉज से स्ट्रगल करनी शुरू की थी. मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं बस घर में बैठी हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं बस वेट पुट ऑन कर रही हूँ एंड बच्चे बड़े हो गए तो दे डोंट नीड मी, आई नीड देम, बट दे डोंट नीड मी बिकॉज दे आर ग्रोन अप नाउ, दे हैव देयर ओन लाइव्स, दे आर डूइंग थिंग्स इन देयर ओन लाइव्स. सो आई फील बिट लोनली. और ये स्टेज होती है आपकी मेनोपॉज स्टार्ट, आप प्री मेनोपॉज में होते हो और ये स्टेज आती है आप पे, आपको लगता है कि हर बंदा बुरा लग रहा है, मेरे हस्बैंड को मेरे पे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. यू नो दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आपके दिमाग में आना शुरू होती हैं और आप डिप्रेशन की तरफ जाना शुरू हो जाते हैं. सो व्हेन आई स्टार्ट दिस पॉडकास्टिंग आई स्टार्ट लाइक बीइंग हैप्पी बिकॉज माय माइंड इज कंटिन्यूसली बिजी searching people, searching women like you, all the inspiring ladies in कि मुझे चाहिए, मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये आए और बात करें, तो मैंने लोगों को ढूंढना शुरू किया. So then filming, then editing, then putting on social media, and then after that आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जब लोगों ने अप्रिशिएट करना शुरू किया कि यार we want to come to you and we want to tell my story, मैं अपनी स्टोरी बताना चाहती हूँ, मेरे साथ ये हुआ है और हम औरतें जो होती हम वी आर वेरी गुड इन स्टोरी टेलिंग. आई एम श्योर एवरीवन, सब लोग जो हैं इनकी हर चेहरे के पीछे एक स्टोरी होती है. लेकिन बहुत से औरतें होती हैं जो अपने घर में अपने आसपास के लोगों को वो स्टोरी नहीं बता सकती, अपनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं बता सकती. सो दे नीड समवन वेयर दे कैन गो एंड टॉक अबाउट इट. सो आई एम द वन, यू कैन कम टू मी. एंड अगर आप लोगों को लगता है कि आप किसी भी बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं, आना चाहते हैं, you can come to my podcast. You can even promote your small business, and I will help whatever I can do to promote your business. And we can talk in detail how you started, why you started, and where are you now. So that was my...
कुछ मजेदार सी बातें.
So I'm just showcasing here a little bit the beautiful ladies who came to my podcast. So Asma was there.
Oh, great.
Why women supporting other women? A very important topic, how to find good rishtas for your boys and girls. It's very important because we don't know where to go because children don't want to get married in families anymore.
Until now,
Beenish is here.
Yeah, Beenish.
She was here about postnatal depression, and literally I found out so many things about even myself. And we have Abida, and she talked about autism, how school can help your children if they are struggling with autism, how they can help parents. So we talk in detail. My very own Madiha Qureshi, from housewife to master chef UK finalist.
Yes.
So you are not just only a housewife, you can do anything. If she can go to the MasterChef UK, you can as well. So he was here to talk about how recruitment agencies can help you to find a good job. Shabana with us about beautiful hair and skin, how you can look after your skin and hair. Shalu was with me. It was all about health, how you can be a healthy with your food and with the diet and the exercise. We had Dr. Sadaf, she's here. So we talk about acne and we talk about in teenager acne. Teenagers में acne क्यों आती है? How to prevent it? And Shamsa was with me from the beginning, and whenever we want to do कुछ मजेदार चटपटी बातें, she was always with me to do. And Humaira was with me for the domestic violence. Samina ji here as well today, and we talked about menopause, which is very important. I think our age ladies
So let's move on to our next session, and it's time to glow. Who is ready to glow now? I think everybody is ready to glow now. So we do have a very impressive workshop, that is skincare workshop, that is filled with lots of secrets how you can glow and grow. So Asma and team at Shaz Beauty, I would like to invite them for this workshop, and they're gonna show us how we can glow and grow.
Hi, good morning, ladies, and welcome to a virtual event for today's event, which is women health and well-being. I really do agree with my sister Binish, what she said. For us women, sometimes it's very difficult because, you know, our self-esteem is low and our confidence is low. But the worst thing that women we do compare ourselves to others. Please don't do it, because we are unique, we are different, we're not all the same. And what, you know what I mean? That actually you are men and women, not just women.
and you doing so much for yourself, and you have to be proud of yourself. Ladies, please, 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 I just want you to think about yourself and as a woman and said, yes, yes, I am a woman, I'm proud of myself, whatever.
Actually, this is a gel wash cleanser, and most gel wash cleansers are normally okay for every skin type. To give yourself a nice massage, go all in, just be gentle, be around your eyes. So this serum is multi-serum. It's still a Nila serum. Anybody want to know what Nila is? It's applied in the daytime and it needs to be done on the damp skin. Then it locks the moisturizer in, so it's much better. When if you're applying retinol, then it needs to be a dry skin. But this serum is good all around. This Nila serum, you can just apply it day or night and just tap it in and just let it absorb itself. Once you do any type of serum, depend again, if you're doing retinol, wait 20 minutes. If you're doing any type of serum, just wait like 1 or 2 minutes, let it absorb it, and just you finish off with a night cream. You can get sleeping mask, you can get night oil as well. I personally like night oil. You can't really direct put the night oil on your skin because oils are normally designed to lock in the moisturizer, and that's how, if you put directly into skin, it's just going to absorb, it's not going to do anything. So just use any type of serum, a little bit of. So it's really natural.
Please welcome, give her a big round. I just wanted to say something before about Nasra. So me and Nasra goes very long way, like everybody, and she is a mashallah inspiration, and she is like a big sister. She's always motivating and supportive.
Well, I just want to ask you, all of you, one question, which is, have you ever thought how long it takes you to get ready to come out? If you have any event, or you go into any venues, how long will it take, and what is your thinking before whatever you want to wear or whatever?
I smell good.
No. What it is, how long it takes you before you smell good, or what do you think? What the first thing will cross your mind first?
To look perfect 2 hours.
To look perfect for 2 hours, good. That's a good point.
2 hours.
To look good.
Yeah.
Okay, in a way of fitting your clothes nicely, or matching your clothes and your bag and your shoes.
Yes, put the
All right.
And feel good.
And how about you?
And feel good.
Feel good. And the other thing I want to know, what do you do when you are down? When you are down. Sometimes, you know, we have our lives up and down. So what do you do? What do you look for it for you to relax or to be yourself?
Go for shopping.
Go for shopping. Okay, that's another point.
Around my husband.
Yes, that's the thing I want to add.
Around my husband.
You want to be around your husband? Well, that's alhamdulillah, excellent.
Alhamdulillah. When he is around, I am positive.
And you?
Happy.
Eat chocolate.
I am.
We are from Middle East. I'm a mixed race, by the way. See my mom making bukhur. You guys know about bukhur, yeah?
Yes. Yeah, yes.
My mom, she learned the bukhur from Aden. But subhanallah, I can never forget the way my mom used to make bukhur. Unfortunately, I never learned from her. But leaving that environment gave me a lot of experience. Allah has created us, but mainly work with your hygiene, which is your breath, your clothes, and never put perfume on your skin. Watch that one out. Something I need to tell everybody. So perfume, when we go and we make assessment, or we learn, or we hear, or we look the books, everyone discovers what they wanted. So I'm crafting perfume. I'm not a factory, I craft on my own hand. And I have my own library in Islam, in Langley especially. For women, don't break your back. Don't let John Malone take money from us. £150, 160 ml perfume was rude. No, you don't need that. You don't need that. Use your mind. Okay, that's all.
what I want to say. When I started my perfume on the first event, I did it in one of the, I think it was Millennium Hotel in central London. Can you imagine? The marketer of Harrods came to me and said, would you like to be in Harrods? I said, no. He was like, why? So I did it from the root to take all the skin, touch my skin, touch my skin. Yes, once a week. It's something, it's beautiful. You know, I always create. I love creating. So imagine you take a shower.
उसकी तो तस्वीर खिंचवा लो उसकी।
Introduced me, I'm a cancer survivor. Last year in January, I find out I was stage 2 cancer, breast cancer, with mastectomy and everything. I found out I was stage 3. But Alhamdulillah, I'm over it. Allah has given me more power to talk about it. But in the beginning, it was very hard to discuss. I know many ladies have this problem, not only with illness, but we don't talk about many stuff.
Yeah. Oh, good. It was two of us talking. We're going to end up fighting over the mic otherwise.
I'll end up smacking every hand.
Which does. All the time.
Well, first of all, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good afternoon. Hope you're all well. First of all, can I just say thank you, Asma, for letting us talk today, and thank you for putting this together. It's absolutely lovely. It's actually something that's very close to our hearts, basically because we work with women with a lot of So, Islam or the Sisters. I'm Roshi, by the way.
And I'm Saima.
So Islam or the Sisters is a platform for women and families all around Slough and outside of Slough as well. And we basically we help a lot of vulnerable women who come from domestic violence. They might be coming from very vulnerable backgrounds, but now we've actually gone more further and we even actually help men as well. We've heard a lot of stories today. Like amazing stories, absolutely amazing stories. And one of the key things that you guys have all mentioned is you didn't have anyone to speak to. This is one of the reasons why Islam Model Sister was actually born. We wanted to create this platform where women aren't judged. They can come and talk to us, come into an environment where they can.
La 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 जिसका जितना हो आंचल यहाँ पर उसको सौगात उतनी मिलेगी फूल जीवन में गर ना खिले तो कांटों को भी निभाना पड़ेगा जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है इससे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा.
Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you. So if you like to gather, we'll put it. Maybe we'll put it here. And